Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. We are solving examples on SN formula in arithmetic progression. So let us solve two more examples in this video. The first example is if AP, if A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35, find D and S13. I have solved this example here and I will explain. See, so let us solve this example. A is equal to 7, A13 is equal to 35, that is 13th term of this arithmetic progression is 35. Find D is equals to question mark, and find S13, sum of 13 terms is also question mark. Now A13 is equal to 35 means we have to apply to find D, we have to apply AN formula, that is nth term formula, and we have solved many examples involving nth term in arithmetic progression. So AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. You know this formula. AN is 35 is equal to value of A is 7 plus n is 13 minus 1 will be 12 into, we are solving for D, write D as it is. So in the next step, 12D you shift it to LHS and take 35 to RHS. So the step will be 12D is equal to 35 minus 7 is equals to 28. Now 12D is equal to 28, therefore D is equal to 28 upon 12. 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are 28, so the value of D is 7 upon 3. So the value of common difference in this particular example is 7 upon 3. Now let us find sum of 13 terms. So to find the sum of 13 terms, we can apply the first formula and as well as second formula. So if you apply first formula, you have to make use of the value of D what you got now, okay, but applying second formula is a little bit easier than applying the first formula. So let us solve this example by the second formula itself. Formula is Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket A plus n. Therefore S13 is equal to n is 13 upon 2 into bracket value of A, that is first term is 7, plus value of An, that is last term, or you may say 13th term is 35. So next step, 13 upon 2 as it is into 7 plus 35 will be 42, 2 ones are 2, 2 21s are 42, so the product of 13 and 21 will be 273. Hence sum of 13 terms in this particular example is 273. Now coming to one more example. Example here is the sum of 14 terms in AP is 1050 and the first term is 10. Find 20th term of AP. So let us solve this example. Sum of 14 terms, Sn is equal to 1050, comma, first term that is 10, then D is question mark, because to find 20th term we have to have the value of common difference. D is question mark, and at the same time A20 is also question mark. Now applying Sn formula, that is first formula, Sn is equal to n upon 2 into bracket 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Let us solve for getting the value of D. So Sn is 1050 is equal to 1050 is sum of 14 terms, therefore 14 upon 2 into bracket 2 as it is, value of A is 10, right into bracket 10 plus n is 14, so n minus 1 is 13, 13 into D, D as it is because we are solving for D. Next step, 1050 is equal to 14 half 7, 2 10s are 20 plus 13D as it is. Now bring 20 plus 13D towards left side and take 1050 towards right side. So 1050 upon 7, 7 ones are 7, 150s are 1050. So the value of 20 plus 13D will be 150. Therefore 13D is equal to 150. Shift 20 to RHS, that is minus 20, and if you subtract 20 from 150, you will be going to get 130. So 13 ones are 13, 13 tens are 130. So the value of D here is 10. Now to find A20, you know we have to apply AN, that is nth terms formula. So AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Therefore A20 is equal to A is 10 plus 20 minus 1, 19 into D is also 10. Now this is equals to 10 plus 19, tens are 190, and 10 plus 190 is 200. Hence the 20th term in this arithmetic progression will be 200. So in this way, these two examples are bit different type what we solved in previous video. So let us solve few more examples of the same type in the next video. Thank you very much.